One day, Zabezoo, her mom, her dad, and all her friends went on a camping trip.
Whew! Let's stop, pitch our tents, and make dinner.
We'll help. Lisa and I'll get firewood. And I'll fetch some water. We got every piece of wood in this forest, don't you think? Don't you think? The cave! Is someone living in here? Are you big? Big? Are you scary? Lisa, Zabezoo, what is it? There's a terrible monster! And he lives in a cave! I will prove to you there's no such thing. Now, show me where your monster is. And the river. I still need the water. He must have a giant cauldron to cook children's soup. He's going to eat us.
Whoa, what's wrong?
There's a monster! He's huge! And he can speak English. Unknown to science.
Did you know that he can also sing?
Who?
Listen, I can show you. Yodelay-oo, yodelay-oo.
Oh, wow. Who is that?
It's just my voice. The sound bounces off the rocks like a ball. Therefore, we hear the repetition of our words in a simple echo.